Hello YouTube, how are you? This is from Bangkok, TVKK. This time, I'd like to take some video about improvement of trigger pull for Norika Dream Hunter. Last time I introduced you this underlevel type air rifle, but the problem was very heavy trigger. So I'd like to polish the tip of SIM for a lighter trigger pull by using this kind of tool. I'm not sure it does work. Let me try anyway. I wish I can make it feel lighter trigger pull, and my shooting will be improved. Okay, let's see. Okay, so what we have to do first is remove this stock. So we remove the screw first. Okay, the 3 points, 3 screws we have to remove. This is a kind of screw stopper, so don't lose it. This side. It's quite hard. Remove the screw. And we have to remove one more screw here at the trigger cover. Very hard. Can remove the stock. Okay, stock is removed, so we keep somewhere else. And the problem is the heaviness come from very simple SIA system. You see this SIA is just like a direct SIA with trigger. Normally trigger have composed by the 3 or 4 parts. To make the trigger pull lighter, you have 3 or 4 parts used together to you see this trigger is directly trigger and sear. There is no like additional parts, so that's why very hard. And the tip of the sear seems very sharp here, so I gonna polish here a little bit, about 45, now 90 degree or something, and very sharp. So I gonna make a little bit polish here and make it like 45 degree, and I guess we can make a little lighter trigger pull. But if I polish too much, maybe sear will not work, and when I cock the spring, maybe the piston will be not catched properly. So I must make it very carefully and very minimum. And I use this kind of equipment to polish. Let me try anyway. I have to use rubber band. I can use only my left arm only, so it is quite difficult for me to do, but let me try best. Yeah, like this. Okay. Why not? It's okay. I can see. So we'll a little bit polish here. Polish this tip of the sear to catch the piston. Okay. I'm not sure you can see or not. You can see well or not, but glass. Okay. I think I can make it now I think I can make it enough, not like 90-degree sharp tip. I wish it will be let me cook if can cook or not. Okay, can cook. Okay. I think it become like lighter. One more time. This is a full cock. Not too heavy. Okay. Now I think it's okay. Okay. Now let me return Okay, let me test. The dry fire is not good, so now it's become very light. One more time. Test one more time. Now become very light. Okay, it's perfect. Very right. Become very right. Okay, now it's become very right. Trigger feel a little too light. Just very like a feather touch. Unbelievable. Only just a little polish become very light trigger. I don't know why the designer of this rifle cannot make the trigger as such from the beginning. Now it's very right. Okay, I'm very happy now. I successed, and but I have to be careful a little bit because now trigger become like a feather touch, right? So I need a careful handling. Okay, I was success, and thank you very much for your watching. And if you think it's okay, please click subscription and like button. Okay. 疲れた。もうね、ちょっと削っただけでね、こんな軽くなるとは思わなかったんで、ちょっと気をつけないとね、逆に、あんまり軽すぎて、フェザータッチすぎてね、ちょっとしたあれで弾けちゃうんで、ちょっと気をつけて使いたいと思います。じゃあね、いいなと思っていただけたら、ぜひチャンネル登録と、コメントの方お待ちします。ということで、今回はこれで、終わりたいと思います。See you!